the morning's over, the bed is soft and warm where we lay. I've dreamed the whole night through of how I'd say to you all the things my heart wants to say. Last night you heard me crying, 'cause I had never loved a man before. And I guess the tears were falling, 'cause the little girl was lost. But now, love, I'm not crying anymore. This girl is turning into a woman, and I dream of this moment of my life. This girl is turning into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. I've never seen a man lying on my pillow. I've never seen your body without clothes. I can't believe these feelings I've discovered. No, I'm sure it's just what every lover knows. I'm offering to you, I'll make a promise. And if love's come tomorrow, don't pretend.